If you want to download WhatsApp on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then first of all we need to open the App Store, which you can find, at least by default, in the home screen, or you can just go to the app library and definitely you should be able to find it somewhere over here on this list. So once you open the App Store, you want to tap on the search button in the bottom right corner and then tap on the search field over here at the bottom. Now we can write WhatsApp. There we go. We can use suggestions, and you should be able to find WhatsApp Messenger app. Now we can tap on this cloud icon with the arrow, and or you can tap on the app name in order to open details of the app, and you can tap on the same icon right next to the big logo of the app. Now we need to wait for the app to be downloaded and installed, but once it is, you should be able to open the app on your iPhone. You can either use the open button over here, as you can see right now. You can also try to find the app on the home screen, or you can just go to the app library and find it, for example, in recently added, or you can just use the list over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.